In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Saas product with Base44. By the end, you'll see how to go from a simple idea to a generated project using Base44's built-in tools. We'll walk through a concrete example, a Saas resume builder app with user authentication, a dashboard, a resume editor, PDF export, an AI writing assistant, subscription plans, and a modern dark UI. Follow along and I'll explain what each action does so you understand not just the clicks, but the why behind them. Start by opening Base44 in your browser. This is your workspace for planning and generating your app. If you're new to the interface, look to the left for the primary navigation panel. That's where you'll find the controls you'll use most frequently throughout a project. Head to Home on the left side. The Home area brings you to a central place where Base44 organizes prompts, projects, and quick actions. Think of it as your dashboard for kicking off new builds or revisiting ideas. From here, choose Describe the app. This opens a prompt interface where you explain what you want to build. Base4 relies on your description to design the initial structure, so clarity really matters. The more specific you are about features and the overall experience, the better the generated result will align with your goals. In the prompt field, type, build a Saas resume builder app with user authentication, dashboard, resume editor, export PDF, AI writing assistant, subscription plans, modern dark UI. This concise list gives Base44 a strong blueprint. You're specifying core functionality, the monetization model, and even the design direction, which helps the generator make smarter default choices. Click Submit. Base44 will parse your description and set up the context for your project. Give it a moment. It's mapping your features to a sensible app structure behind the scenes. After you've entered the prompt, you'll land in a preview environment tailored to your app concept. This is where Base44 reflects what it understood from your description. Use this view to get a sense of the features and overall flow it's preparing to create. It's essentially your staging ground before the build begins. When you're ready, click Generate. This triggers the actual creation process. Base44 will assemble the project based on your prompt, laying out the features, connecting the pieces, and preparing the app for you to explore. Depending on complexity, this can take a short while, so let it work. And that's the full pass. Open Base44, go to Home, describe your app clearly, submit, review the preview, and generate. With a well-structured prompt, you'll have a strong starting point for your SaaS product in minutes.